Question 15. The equation of line 1 is y equals 2x minus 5. So I've got an equation of a line here, and the general form for equation of a line is y equals mx plus c. There's two parts that you need to remember. This m value is the gradient, or the steepness, the slope of the line, and the c value is the y-intercept. It's where it crosses the y-axis. The equation of line 2 is 6y plus kx minus 12 is equal to 0. This is in the form y equals mx plus c, so it's not very useful to us. We can't use it easily. So let's rearrange it so that we're making this y the subject. So I'm going to move these two things over to the other side. So I'm going to have to take away kx and add 12. So now I've got 6y is equal to 12 minus kx. To get y on its own, I just need to divide everything by 6. So dividing this by 6 would leave me with y. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and I'll write it as kx over 6. My gradient is negative k over 6 because that's what this x is being multiplied by. It says line 1 is perpendicular to line 2. So this is saying that they're both crossing at right angles. So there's right angles going on there. And it's also saying the inverse reciprocal of this gradient will be this gradient. Find the value of k. I know the gradient of line 1 is 2 because it's the number before this x. And I know the gradient of line 2 is going to be the inverse reciprocal of that. Inverse just means if it's positive, it's going to be a negative. And because I want the reciprocal, I'm going to flip this. So right now, it's 2 over 1, but it's going to become 1 over 2. So the gradient of line 2 is negative a half. And I know that the gradient is also negative k over 6. So this negative k over 6 is equal to negative a half. There's a few ways you can solve this. So first I can see that they're both negative, so I can cancel out the negatives. Then I've got k over 6 is equal to half, so I could multiply by 6. Or you could also spot that on the bottom we're multiplying by 3 there, so on the top we're also multiplying by 3. So this k is going to be equal to 3. If you did 6 times a half, it would also give you 3, so both ways would be fine.